Hello students, I am the director of the Madison Public Library. I am going to tell you about Book Blizzard in your own language by running my script through ChatGPT, and then I will get one of my underlings to read it to you. I hope you consider joining the Book Blizzard. Write me a super cool teen talking script for the Book Blizzard. Tell high school students that the public and high school libraries are partnering on a winter reading challenge and make it sound fierce. This is how they can do it. Check out a bag at the high school library. In the bag is a book, a small gift, and a treat. There's also a ballot. They eat the treat, keep the gift, read the book, and read it on the ballot. Then they return the book, the bag, and the ballot. Make it understandable to Gen Z and Gen Alpha and Gen IDK. The ballot goes into the Teen Choice Awards election, but it is also a raffle ticket for mad money and a cute stuffed wolf. See? 8 ballots entered earns them a DQ treat. To learn more and start reading, they go to the high school library. And then end this all with an invitation and instructions that sound like it came from TikTok. Ooh, this is good, this is good. Now to get someone I can boss around to read it to them.
No.
Youth, take cover. The Book Blizzard is ripping through the Madison High School Library, a result of vicious collusion from the public library to provoke reading. It challenges us all. Because of all the brain rot you ate, I'm finna to break this down into 6-7 short steps. It says I have to do the hand thing.
So do it. It's ChatGPT. It's smarter than you.
I have a PhD and I know these students.
Do you have a massive, amoral, and constantly shifting algorithm based on 30 years of humanity's fevered uploading to the internet? So go on.
6-7 short steps. Check out a bag at the school library. Eat the treat. Keep the gift, read the book, return the ballot. That's only 5.
6-7 doesn't mean real numbers. It's about basketball. Go on, you're doing great.
You have got to vote for the GOAT book to maybe win the Pookie Wolf or get a Mad Money buff. Read and rate 8 books for a guaranteed DQ drop. So tough.
I have heard Willa say every one of those words.
I think she was talking about an actual goat.
Please read the inviting and instructional ending.
It's low pressure. There's food. And you might win stuff. Check out Book Blizzard in the library. Is the book Gather part of the Book Blizzard?
Yep.
That's a good one. I think everyone should read it.
Yeah. I just finished That's Not My Name.
It was tough. See what you did there. Why does AI always bold stuff?